In this tutorial, I'm going to show you super quick how to go from a boring thumbnail that just blends in with everyone else to a thumbnail that pops, has the lovely white glow that everyone likes, the white silhouette, the white outline, and it is super, super easy, super fast, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So to get started, you will need a Canva Pro membership. I do have a link in the description box if you do want to get Canva Pro. Now, this picture here is one that already has the background removed. If you want to learn how to remove a background for free, I will have that tutorial link down below and then up in the iCard as well. And let's give this a white background. Now, this is a picture that does have more to it. It's this picture right here that you can see on the left, but I've just made it bigger and we're going to move things around a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is have this picture selected, the one that we want to add the white silhouette or white background on. Hit effects. Then you're going to see this in shadows. You're going to see glow. So we're going to hit glow. It's going to select the picture. Then we're going to hit it again and you're going to see this little gear icon. Now here we can change some different things. So you can make the glow any color you want. You can have it blue, you can have it black, you can have it a specific color, whatever your heart desires on the wheel, whatever it is. I'm going to do white just because that's what this video is about. Then what we're going to do is you can play around with the glow. So if you want to have more of just like a pop or a shadow, you can do that. Or you can bring it down and that's going to make the blur so it's more of a stark line. And then transparency, we're going to bring that up. Again, you can make this however much you want. Then we're going to add size. So you can make this huge, you can do whatever you want. I like to do pretty much right around here just to make enough for it to pop. And that is what it is. So as you can see, it is a big difference from the previous. So there is the glow, and I think that looks awesome. Now we can even adjust it a little bit to bring up the contrast and make it pop even more. I like to do that in my pictures there. So there is the glow, and I think that looks awesome and super easy, super quick. Like you saw, it took me less than 20 seconds to do.